कैमरा थोड़ा सीधा हो जाए अभी. I deleted Instagram. Even I am sure not post them online. YouTube चलाती होगी. Stalking people who ask questions about your life. Addicted to scrolling and it's gone. Think about my own life with. Hi. It's been almost 5 months since I deleted Instagram. And honestly, I do not think my life magically changed after that. But hey, wait. I think it's changed. Let's figure it out. So I'm not suddenly the most productive person here. I'm not waking up at 5 a.m. every single day. I'll not say that quitting Instagram literally transformed my life. No, it's not true. But it does make it 5 to 10% better. And I think even that small changes a lot inside you. I think in 2025, I slowly got addicted to scrolling, and the scary part is, I did not even realize when it became unhealthy. So at first it felt normal, like opening Instagram for 5 minutes and then using it for 1 hour, then again 1 hour, then again 1 hour, and it's gone. And then I realized that I'm not using it for an entertainment anymore. I'm using it as an escape.
And I think that's when I realized something uncomfortable about myself. I was not opening Instagram because I was bored. I was opening it because I did not want to sit with my own thoughts. Because when you stop scrolling, you are left with questions. Questions about your life, questions about your future, questions about whether you are actually doing what you truly want to do. And sometimes that's uncomfortable. So instead of facing those thoughts, I would distract myself. Not because I was interested in them, but because it was easier than looking at my own life. It was easier than asking myself where I'm going, what I really want, and whether I'm becoming the person I want to become.
Then came the worst part, stalking people. Stalking people who are not even a part of my life, watching their profile, from their profile to another profile, from that profile to another profile, and then comparing my life with them, feeling sad about it, and the loop goes on. They have achieved so much. Their life looks perfect. Everyone seems happy. Everyone seems ahead of me. What am I doing with my life? And suddenly your own life starts feeling smaller. People often say things like, if you remove social media, your life will be much better. I do not want to believe it blindly. I want to try it by myself. Like, if I have to say that this is better, this is not better, or this is much better than this, I have to have the experience of both the things. So that's what I did because I want to really experience a life without Instagram. It was not a random move. It was a very logical move. I observed my own behavior and with logics and facts, I just uninstalled it. So what all the logics that really helped me to remove it and not to even think about it anymore. So the first thing is that I do not have a public account on Instagram.
And I don't earn anything from Instagram. And to be very honest, I don't even want to. I have complete clarity about that. The second thing was understanding my own pattern. I already knew what would happen. I would come back from the lab thinking that I will just use Instagram for 10 minutes, but those 10 minutes would turn into hours. Then I would start checking random profiles, stalking people, comparing my journey, and eventually feeling bad about my own life. And the funny thing is, I knew this cycle so well because I had lived it hundreds of times. I tried breaking it too. I put time limits on Instagram. I tried controlling myself. I uninstalled it and reinstalled it back so many times. But this time something changed. Instead of trying to fight the cycle, I finally understood the cycle. I understood exactly what was happening inside my mind. I understood that every single time I opened Instagram, I was expecting entertainment, connection, or relaxation. But most of the time, what I actually got was exhaustion. I was not leaving the app feeling peaceful. And when I looked at it honestly, I asked myself a very simple question. If anything repeatedly leaves me feeling exhausted instead of fulfilled, then why am I holding on to it? Yes, there were moments that made me laugh. Yes, there were funny memes. But those few moments were not enough for me to ignore everything else that came along with it. And that's when I became very clear with myself. This is not how I want to spend my time. This This is not how I want to spend my attention, and this is definitely not how I want to spend my life. And for me, quitting Instagram was not about discipline, it was about clarity. Once I truly understood the cycle and accepted that this was not adding anything meaningful to my life anymore, uninstalling it stopped feeling difficult. When you are clear about what you don't want, letting go becomes much easier.
All of my friends and family who are really close to me, they're there on WhatsApp. I'm talking to them daily, they're texting me, they're calling me every single day. I'm calling them, I'm texting them. So it's not such a big deal. Like, I'm not losing anything. So here is what I have learned after deleting Instagram for 5 months. Camera thoda सीधा हो जाए अभी. Okay. So first thing is, you will stop escaping from your own thoughts. When you're too much into scrolling, you forgot your own personality. You forgot how you think, how you behave, because you are on repeat watching someone else's life. So you try to behave like them, or somewhere or somehow you get influenced. I have experienced it so many times. So yes, now I could finally sit with my own thoughts without escaping from them. I could actually think about my own life without comparing it with someone else's life. I started feeling grateful again, and I have deeper conversation with God. I have deeper conversation with my friends. I do not post them online, but I do have people who are there for me always. I call them, I talk to them, I share everything with them. So that's very wonderful, and I'm really very grateful for everything. The main question, like, will I continue not using Instagram? Oh hell yes, I am not using Instagram for this whole 2026. I know some people will come, oh Instagram छोड़ दिया, YouTube चलाती होगी ना, अरे YouTube पे short scroll करती होगी ना. I know. Many people will think like that, but to me, YouTube is not an addiction.
I still use YouTube. I watch videos, I watch shorts. I spend time there whenever I feel like it. But during these 5 months, I realized something very interesting. The problem was never social media itself, the problem was my relationship with Instagram. Because when I use YouTube, I still feel like I'm in control. If I have 5 or 10 minutes free, I watch something, I enjoy it, and move on with my day. I don't find myself endlessly scrolling for hours. I don't constantly feel the urge to open it again and again. And sometimes I even forget that YouTube exists. There is no emotional attachment to it, there is no addiction. It does not occupy space in my mind when I'm not using it. And that realization was very important for me because it helped me understand that this wasn't about becoming someone who never uses social media. It was about recognizing the one thing that had started controlling me instead of me controlling it. That was the only app where I felt like I was losing control over my own attention. That was the only app where I would open it for a few minutes and suddenly lose hours. That was the only app that repeatedly left me feeling mentally exhausted instead of refreshed. That's why I'm so happy that I took this step. Because 5 months may not sound like a huge number to someone else, but for me it is. 5 months of keeping a promise to myself, 5 months of not going back to a habit that I knew was not helping me. And I think that's what makes me happy than before. Not the fact that I deleted Instagram, but the fact that I finally took control back.
Life is much better when you think of your own purpose, what you can do in this life. This is only the life that we got, and what is the purpose behind it? Like, why am I doing what I'm doing? Is this the really thing that I really want to do? So, all the best. If you're addicted to something and you really want to give it up, the one advice is learn your behavior, how you can come out of it. Then try it out if it is really working for you. Try all the different strategies people are giving you, and then try your own strategy. Anything will surely work, because uninstalling it completely from my mobile phone really worked for me, and I don't even get 0.1% urge to use Instagram. Even I'm shocked, from being an addicted person to being someone that I'm not even getting the urge to use it. I feel so happy. It's been only 5 months, and let's see what happens. And bye bye. Take care. We will meet in the next video soon. Radhe Radhe. Want to end this video by saying sometimes disconnecting from noise is the only way to hear yourself again.